Today, we are diving into an in-depth analysis of Mailbird, a popular email client for Windows. Mailbird is known for its clean, user-friendly interface and its ability to integrate with various popular apps. Designed to manage multiple accounts from one platform, it aims to boost productivity and streamline communication. Its customizable layout and intuitive features make it an attractive choice. Mailbird has numerous features that set it apart. It supports multiple accounts and integrates with popular apps like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Dropbox, and more. You can customize its layout to suit your style. It also offers a unified inbox, allowing you to view all your emails in one place. Additionally, it has a snooze feature for managing emails and a speed reader to help you quickly go through your emails. Mailbird offers a free version with basic features. However, to unlock its full potential, there's the Pro version. It costs $39 for a yearly subscription or $79 for a lifetime license. For businesses, there's the business version at $59 per year per user. It's recommended to start with the free version and upgrade as needed. They also offer a 14-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. Mailbird is perfect for anyone juggling multiple email accounts and looking for a unified platform. It's especially useful for business professionals who need to manage various communication channels. The integration with other apps makes it an excellent tool for multitaskers, and its customization options cater to different user preferences. Lastly, its speed reader feature is a boon for those who receive a high volume of emails. Mailbird's advantages lie in its sleek design, customization options, and integration with popular apps. The unified inbox is a game changer for managing multiple email accounts. The speed reader feature aids in quickly going through a large volume of emails. It's also user-friendly, making it a good choice for those not tech-savvy. Lastly, its affordable pricing, including a free tier, makes it accessible to many. Despite its advantages, Mailbird has some limitations. It's only available for Windows, excluding Mac and Linux users. The free version is quite basic, and the Pro version may seem pricey to some. It lacks advanced features like email encryption and automated responses. Some users have also reported issues with customer support. Lastly, it doesn't support Exchange accounts, limiting its usability for some businesses. Mailbird is a strong contender in the world of email clients. Its robust features, user-friendly interface, and app integrations make it an excellent tool for managing emails and boosting productivity. However, its platform limitation and lack of certain advanced features might be a deal breaker for some. It's advisable to try the free version first to see if it meets your needs before investing in the Pro version. Mailbird is a comprehensive, user-friendly email client with numerous features and integrations. It's best suited for multi-account management and offers customization options. However, it's only available for Windows, and the free version may be too basic for some. Evaluate your specific needs and consider trying the free version before investing. Thank you so much for joining us for this analysis of Mailbird. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. We regularly release in-depth analyses of various software tools, and we'd love to have you with us for future videos. Stay tuned.